Good evening, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to legally make 100 to 500 bucks daily from YouTube by simply copying and pasting videos. Yeah, legally. You might be wondering how. But let me start by explaining a few things for you. YouTube is a platform where you upload videos and you get paid for people to come and see ads that are being placed by Google on your videos. So normally when you copy other people's videos on YouTube, you get flagged for copyright issues. Yes, but I'll be showing you how to make such videos, like clean videos without copyright issues. So just stick to the end of these videos to find out how. So I'll be showing you in this particular method works for most niches, but I will, for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be advising you to go for motivational videos niche. That's a channel that talks about motivational stuffs, where you share motivational videos, like containing slides of different quotes and with a suiting background music. So people, in today's world, so many people are like very depressed, so many people are down, and they need words of encouragement for them to keep moving. So you have to provide the solution they are looking for. Let me not say take advantage of, but provide solution for this particular issues they are trying to solve by compiling these motivational stuffs and giving it to them. And at the end of the day, you get appreciated by Google through their Google Ads payment. So the first thing, let me first of all show you samples of like videos you'll be making, similar videos that at the end of the day you'll be making videos that are similar to these ones I'm going to show you right now. So let's go to YouTube. So search for motivational videos.
Employers these.
Imagine this was posted 7 hours ago and it has already gotten 746 views. 3 days ago, 59k views.
The world.
2.1 million views in 3 months. 5.2 million, 20 million. So it's just to tell you that like this is a niche that people are really interested in. People really want to get the burdens in their mind off by being distracted. Like you show them motivations, you show them inspirational quotes to help them lessen the burden in their hearts. So for this particular method, we're going to be using a few sites. Like the first one I'll be showing you is Pexels. Let me show. I'll put the link to the website in the description of this video. So the first one is pexels.com. On Pexels, you'll be getting copyright free videos, copyright free motivational videos, or royalty free videos from pexels.com. Let me show you. pexels.com. So motivational videos. Motivational videos. You can see several videos. Okay. These are they have 93.9k videos in total. You can get videos from here and you upload on YouTube. So this is for where to get the videos from. So So after getting the videos on pixels.com, there's another site where you can get good motivational sounds like audios, free copyright free audios. So this website is called archive.org. They have completely free motivational audios that you can use for your videos. So let's go to archive.org. You search, you go to this menu and click on audios, all audios. Sorry, my internet connection is not as fast as it should. So you type motivation. So these are completely free motivational audios you can use for your videos. So you can just download a couple of audio files here and a couple of audio movies on from pixels.com. Then when you have gotten these audio files and audio videos, you need to compile them, like join like 2 to 3, or depending on the length of the videos, you can get a 15 to 20 minutes video from like 3 to 4 different videos and audio files from these two websites I've shown you. So you can download, there's this video editor that is completely free, Open Shots video editor. You just need to download it, or just download it. It's completely free. You just download it on your PC and drag and drop the audio and mp3 files, audio and video files you've downloaded. Then you upload it on your YouTube channel. Then once you start getting enough views, you get paid for the audience. You get paid for the views, per impression, right? Yeah, per impression. YouTube pays per impression, and it's really a nice idea. Like, imagine when you not have to make your own videos from scratch. You only copy and edit other copyright free videos and repost. Imagine posting like 5 to 10 videos every day, and before you know it, in 2 weeks time you'll be making cool money from YouTube. So it's really a nice it's really a nice stuff to venture into, because I know some people are already into it. And I also have a channel I'm running low key, but with time I will unveil the channel too, so that it will serve as sample for my followers, and everybody will see how it's done, and you get to learn and do more on the side. So do well to make use of this information. Make sure you start up something today, and with time you'll be making cool money from it too. Then extra tip, you can use affiliate links in this your motivational video descriptions. You can use Amazon affiliate links. You can use different affiliate links on products that talks about motivation, like ebooks and the rest. You just embed the link in the description. People that are interested will also get to buy from that link, and it keeps your money booming and booming and booming. So it's really something that is worth trying. So you don't need to sleep on this information. Please make sure you do something about it today, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, so that you get more tips on how to make money online this year 2022. Don't worry, we are already here for you, and we'll be sharing you all the information you'll be needing. So what you just need to do for us is to make good use of the information and share with your friends as well. It might help them, so that when you guys build together, failing will be very, very difficult, because you guys will be motivating each other, and at the end of the day everybody will be standing on his own. So it's really a cool idea, sharing with your friends though. So thank you for watching our videos, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.